Many of the world's coasts are becoming increasingly urban. With 14 of the world's 17 largest cities located along coasts, development of these areas is increasing rapidly. Today, approximately 3 billion people, roughly half of the world's total population, lives within 200 kilometers of a coastline, and this figure is projected to double by 2025. This population growth has produced many economic benefits, including improved transportation links, industrial and urban development, revenue from tourism, and seafood production. As a result, however, these areas are undergoing severe environmental degradation. Industrial pollutants are discharged into waters and then released into the air. These include heavy metals like mercury, lead, and other toxic chemicals. Additionally, pollutants commonly detected in urban runoff, which may be harmful to receiving waters, include suspended soils, oxygen-demanding substances, toxic metals and trace elements, organic contaminants, nutrients, and pathogenic bacteria. Raw or poorly treated sewage is harmful to not only marine ecosystems, but also human life. Life-threatening waterborne diseases such as typhoid, hepatitis, cholera, and gastroenteritis may be passed directly to people who swim, consume fish, or drink water contaminated with raw or poorly treated sewage. Not only do the immediate coastal areas affect marine pollution, but also feeding operations, grazing, plowing, and application of pesticides in rural regions eventually deposit into the oceans as well. These trigger algae blooms in coastal waters and produce dead zones in the ocean where there are no oxygen for fish or wildlife to survive. This greatly alters food web dynamics within these marine ecosystems. As Canada ranks first among the countries of the world in surface area covered by fresh water, it is our responsibility as a nation to reduce the impact of population growth on coastal regions. Environment Canada's Pollution Prevention Initiative, also known as P2, is about anticipating and preventing pollution instead of reacting to it after the fact. Minimizing or avoiding the creation of pollutants and wastes can be more effective in protecting the environment than treating them. The federal government believes that pollution prevention is the most effective means of protecting our environment, eliminating costly waste, and promoting sustainable development. P2 focuses on avoiding the creation of pollutants rather than trying to manage them after they have been created. As citizens, we ourselves can help the effort with a change in our daily actions to conserve water, be cautious of what we dispose down our sinks and drains, use environmentally household products, and ensure that we aren't littering into rivers and lakes.